In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to log into BeReal account. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your BeReal app. Here we go. Now here you have to enter your name and then tap on continue. After that, you have to enter your date of birth and then tap on continue. Now you have to enter your phone number over here. Firstly, select the country and then enter your phone number. Tap on continue. Now you will get code in your phone number. You have to put that code over here and then tap on continue. You can see that I have easily logged into my BeReal account. In this way, you can easily log into BeReal account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.